My name is Mrs. Moore and I want to welcome you to 8th grade math. Before we get started this year, I want to talk to you about a couple of our rules and expectations. The very first rule I want to talk to you about is to be ready. That's our number one rule in this classroom. And what that means is that when you walk in that door, you're ready to do whatever it is we need to do in class that day. You might be wondering, what does somebody who's ready look like? Well, somebody who's ready has a few things. They have their math book. They have their Chromebook. They have a notebook with paper or a binder, a pencil with an eraser because we all make mistakes, and any homework that was assigned so they can get it turned in on time. The last thing you need to bring is your brain ready to work. Now, if you're not ready, you're going to waste our time by having to go back to your locker and get the things you need. Now, you only get 3 hall passes a semester. So if you waste them on going back to get stuff out of your locker, you're not going to be able to use them when you really need them, like when you have to go to the bathroom. So, I know we all forget things, but choose wisely. There will be extra books in the back, and I always have pencils and paper on my desk. Now, when you're ready, we can spend more time learning. We're not wasting anybody's time. We're getting our homework turned in on time so you don't lose points for late work. And you're ready to go as soon as you walk in here. We get to spend the time we're together learning how to do math, and I get to spend it teaching, which is my job. So, in my class, when you come in with the things that you're ready to work with, what I want you to do first is find your seat and then look over at the board to the question of the day. Now make sure you're checking on the 8th grade question of the day and not doing the high school algebra. I don't expect you to do that quite yet. So once you get the 8th grade question of the day, you'll notice today's questions start with IXL. Now, a lot of the daily questions are on the IXL website. Now, don't worry if you get a little behind or you don't finish one in a day. Usually we'll be working on the same skill for 2 or 3 days in a row while we do the lesson in the book. Now, work on IXL keeps track of how much time you spend, how many skills you work on, and how many skills you master. Your class will be able to earn rewards by spending more time working on IXL, mastering more skills, working on more skills, and spending more time. I'll set goals depending on how many kids are in your class for what kind of time, number of skills we need to get taken care of. And if you earn enough points, you will earn a game day on SIP half days. We'll have fun things to do. We've got Rubik's Cubes, puzzle balls, Uno, we can play Kahoot, or even Jeopardy online. So if you do your work and do what's expected of you, you will get some fun things to do in my class. What I hope more than anything is that you guys all feel like this is a place you can come and be comfortable and be safe. In order for our classroom to be like that, I need everybody to work together. I need you to respect me and respect your classmates. If we work hard, we're all going to have good days and bad days, but if we keep working together, we are going to have a great year. Thank you.